Hi everyone. I just want to talk about something that, might be easy to overlook. And that is you want to make sure you're using your correct Zoom account. And so right now what you're looking at is the Zoom privacy and security page from FSW's Office of Information Technology, which itself is a really useful resource that'll show up later in this training. So to make sure you're using the right Zoom account, go to fsw.zoom.us. So I click there. You click sign in. It'll normally prompt you for your sign-in information. I'm already logged in on my computer. And then you log in and then you're using a licensed account. And let's say, you can't remember what I just said. There's another way to do this too. So let me sign out. So I'm going to sign out. And then I'm going to go to zoom.us. It's just the basic Zoom page you get if you go anywhere or if you're using an app. So this is probably more useful, especially if you're using an app. And you click sign in. You can see my old account there. But the other thing you want to do is sign in with the SSO. And this will let you use the domain name. So FSW, you just type in FSW, you hit continue. And then again, it's going to prompt you to sign in if you're on your phone or something of that nature. But this brings you to your licensed FSW account. And if you're on a browser, again, type in fsw.zoom.us, but otherwise just go to the Zoom account, or if you're using a smartphone app for the first time, and choose the SSO option, and then type in FSW as the domain name. And you want to make sure you're using your licensed account, because this account will let you do things like use the cloud and recording feature, use the automatic transcription service for cloud recordings if you're recording a course resource or something of that nature, and a number of other bells and whistles and additional features, some of which now are on the base account because of the COVID-19 pandemic. However, those features aren't going to be available forever on the free account. So make sure you're using the account that FSW has already paid for you to use, and then you'll make sure you have, the full range of capabilities at your disposal. Thank you.